Hindi niya alam kung saan siya sinilang, mga ganon. Nakakapagtaka talaga yon. Walang record. So let's see how it will end up. Pero mali na siguro yon na kung may nakapag-file dito ng certificate of candidacy, and I was able to talk to Chairman Garcia na pwede pa raw ikawaran to. So, yung concerns ni Senator Risa, if backed up by concrete evidence, tama siya. Na baka napasok na tayo ng iba na hindi dapat daw na testigo sa Lunes.
Witness against.
Yeah, I think you're correct. Attorney Ochoa, parang ganon. So parang meron pa. Hindi, si Senator Bato dapat ang magpaliwanag niyan. Hindi ko dapat pangunahan.
Pero do you support the stand of Senator Chis? Hindi naman pwedeng lahat ng intervention.
Correct. Correct. You're correct. In aid of legislation, ito yung batas. Diba, sinubmit. Final ko na yung batas. Na National Security Clearance Information Act of 2024. Final ko nung Monday.
So pwede na i-terminate, sir?
Depende sa chairman. We have to respect the chairman.
Na-validate kung nangyari talaga yung wiretapping, kung ganun yung mangyayari.
Narinig na nung colleague mo sa likod na yung tape. Hindi siya, Ito, one of the consequences, according to the Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations, is this: the host country may take measures such as expelling embassy staff, reducing the staff of the embassy, or even...
Pwede ipasara, sir, yung embassy ng China?
Hindi naman. Reduce yung staff. Meron. Ang effect noon sa yung China-Australia, nung hinak nila yung Australian Parliament, nagbawas ng importation ng China ng ilang commodities.
Sir, if
Sa
mapatunayan po na merong wiretapping, can they be charged criminally? And ano po yung posibleng parusa sa kanila doon?
Kung ano yung parusa ng batas natin, plus yung mga nabanggit ko, pwedeng mag-file ng diplomatic protest,
Sir,
pwedeng i-expel, at yung i-reduce yung staff. At ito yung pinakamadaling gawin: expulsion of non-diplomatic staff, which would include administrative, technical, service personnel. Yun. Tapos pag nag-renew sila, kasi yung mga nandito, may tenure yan 2 years, 3 years. Pwede na tayong hindi mag-issue ng visa. Kung yung nagre-renew ng visa na yung mga staff nila ay bawasan, hindi tayo mag-issue, liliit na yung staff nila. To show our collective disgust.
So walang imprisonment?
Wala. Sa tingin ko ngayon, mapwera na lang kung may mga involved pa na iba na mga technician, yung staff kasi ng embassy. Yung staff ng embassy ay hindi lahat Chinese. Meron din tayong kababayan na staff sa embassy. May mga interpreters, may mga nagtatrabaho din doon, administrative. So hindi natin alam kung involved din yon. Wala, mahirap na. So that's why an investigation is needed.
So may we ask, don't diplomats have diplomatic immunity from prosecution in domestic laws? At least insofar as Ambassador Wang Xilian will be concerned.
He's immune. He's immune. We still maintain that. Except yung immunity would only refer to the regular performance of their functions as contained in this Convention on Diplomatic Relations. Pero kung yung ginagawa mo outside your functions na, halimbawa ikaw ay nag-commit ng violation under the revised penal code, pwede ka ma-prosecute as far as I'm concerned. But of course, it will be subjected to diplomatic negotiations.
So sir, itong wiretapping wiretapping, is it included dun sa sinasabi natin, possible immunity?
Hindi. Kaya ang talagang mga naging precedents dito, expulsion, pauuwiin.
Anong impact dun, sir, sa diplomatic relation ng Pilipinas?
Magkakatampuhan yon. Kakatampuhan. Baka maging tugon nila doon, kagaya ng mga nangyari sa dati, pauwiin din yung mga nasa Beijing natin na personnel.
Then, sir, baka mga ngarap na naman another issue na yung mga OFWs natin, doon baka pauwi na. Yung mga ganyung
They will, but ang mangyayari nito, we will really be asserting our right to implement our laws. Yun din yung ginagawa ngayon ng mga kababayan natin na malapit-lapit na sa Baho de Masinloc. Malapit-lapit na, ilang oras na lang.
Sir,
Ang balita ko, ang nakabantay, ilan yung nakabantay kahapon? 4? Ang balita ko, ang nakabantay na kanina, 44 na. 44 na Chinese militia sa Baho de Masinloc. Ganun na karami.
so sir, yun, indication na talaga.
Iba na tong, natin, dito na tayo. Ibang topic na.
Ibig sabihin, di ba dahil nang nangyayari na sunod-sunod na pagbubuhay ng China sa West Philippine Sea, and then may wiretapping involving Chinese embassy. Anong indication na? Yun sila kaseryoso, may pinaplano na talaga sila.
Pinaplanong.
Anong gusto nila gawin sa atin?
Matagal na sila may ginagawa sa atin.
Pero lumalala na, kasi pa may wiretapping.
You are correct. I agree.
Sir, na-mention po ni General Brown na 60 statement niya na yung transcript daw can be easily fabricated.
Yes.
Audio recordings can be manufactured by
Yes.
case. But if kung mapatunayan po sa investigation na they use deep fakes po, ano po yung
Di, mas malala. Mas malala. Ibang violation na naman nila yon. So, ito yung continuation nga nung transcripts can be easily fabricated, audio recordings can be manufactured, etc., etc. So, pagpapatunay din, gaya ng sinabi din ni Secretary Teodoro, he doubts the authenticity of the recording, but called on the Department of Foreign Affairs to investigate the issue, and if proven true, should result in the expulsion. So, ito rin yung sinasabi ko kanina. Diba? So, walang pagbabago. Ang pagbabago lang is that the Senate Committee, the appropriate Senate Committee, would be taking steps.
Then sir, kung kay General Carlos, di ba wala naman siyang power to enter into another
Correct.
reminder na
Correct. General Carlos is a good man. He's a graduate of Annapolis, U.S. Naval Academy. He's a good officer.
but still, he doesn't have the power to
Wala.
enter into
Correct. You're correct. I agree. Wala, hindi naman talaga siya So makikita natin kung ano yung nilalam. Kaya nga sinimulan ko sa tanong ni Marlon, extraneous yun sa topic na investigation. Ang question sa investigation, was there a wiretapping conducted?
Sir, may commitment na Senator Jiroy kung kailan
Yes.
papatawag
I talked to him, baka Tuesday daw.
next week.
Yes, kasi Monday meron uli yung yung isa, yung leak. Okay na?
Another time.
Okay na.
Sir, do you share the concern ni Sen. Risa and these regarding personality ni Mayor ng Banban?
Hindi ako naka-attend nung hearing eh. I'm sorry, hindi ako naka-attend nung hearing. Pero sa naririnig ko, anecdotal reports, hindi niya alam kung saan siya sinilang, mga ganon. Nakakapagtaka talaga yon. Walang record. So let's see how it will end up. Pero mali na siguro yon na kung may nakapag-file dito ng certificate of candidacy, and I was able to talk to Chairman Garcia na pwede pa raw ikawaranto. So, yung concerns ni Senator Risa, if backed up by concrete evidence, tama siya. Na baka napasok na tayo ng iba na hindi dapat nakakandidato. Pero Ano ko lang yon based on the reports that I have heard.
But have you encountered
Si-
singular incidents kahit hindi sa Pilipinas na nadidiscuss among the security sector? May mga ganyan ba?
Hindi sa Pilipinas.
Kahit na hindi dito sa Pilipinas, sa ibang bansa na pag-usapan sa security sector na may ginagamit talaga yung China or any other country.
We're not sure kasi yung figures doon pumapasok doon sa Eagle Cross sa Texas coming from Mexico, isang buwan 30,000 Chinese illegal migrants yung tumatawid. Ang dami, so hindi ko alam, hindi ko masagot yung ano. It's mind-boggling to say the least.
Sir, tungkol dun sa investigation sa PDLs, do you think it's about time to terminate na? Dahil pag na-identify nyo na namin.
I submitted the bills, but I understand may isa pang importanteng dadalo daw na testigo sa Lunes.
Witness against.
Yeah, I think you're correct. Attorney Ochoa, parang ganon. So parang meron pa. Hindi, si Senator Bato dapat ang magpaliwanag niyan, hindi ko dapat pangunahan.
Pero do you support the stand of Senator Cheese? Hindi naman pwedeng lahat ng intervention.
Correct.
Kailangan ipatawag.
Correct. You're correct. In aid of legislation, ito yung batas. Di ba, sinubmit, final ko na yung batas.
Oo nga, sir.
Na National Security Clearance Information Act of 2024. Final ko nung Monday.
So pwede na i-terminate, sir. Dahil
Depende yun sa chairman. We have to respect the chairman. Wala na.
Thank you.
Wala na. Thank you.